Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating app on your device. And after opening it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your phone number or your social accounts in order to log into the account that you wish to delete. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can start matching with various different profiles right away. Now, if you are done with using the Hinge application and you wish to delete your account permanently, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will now take you into your profile page. Click on the gear icon at the top right, and then you can scroll all the way down until you see the delete or pause account button. Go ahead and click on this, and you will now be asked to provide a reason for deleting or pausing your account. After choosing your reason, you will now see the pause as well as the delete account button. Now, if you wish to temporarily deactivate your account, then you can use the pause account button. And if you are sure that you don't want to use Hinge anymore and you want to delete it completely, then you can tap on the delete account button. After clicking on this, you will be asked to verify your identity by providing the 6-digit verification code that will be sent to your phone. So just check your SMS and type in this code, and once you proceed forward with this verification, you will be logged out from your Hinge account right away. After this, make sure not to log back into your account for at least 1 month, and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Hinge dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.